Why is the lunar terminator key for observing moon phases? Imagine looking at the moon through a telescope and seeing sharp shadows stretching across its surface. That line where light and darkness meet is called the lunar terminator. It's like the edge of a shadow cast by the sun, dividing the illuminated part from the dark side. This boundary is always moving because the sun's position relative to the moon changes as the moon orbits Earth. When you observe the moon from the ground, the terminator is where the most exciting visual changes happen. It's where the sun is just rising or setting on the moon's surface, creating long shadows that make craters, mountains, and valleys stand out in sharp relief. These shadows help us see surface features more clearly than when the entire face is evenly lit. Understanding the moon's phases depends on how much of the illuminated side we see from Earth. As the moon orbits, the angle between the sun, Earth, and moon shifts. This causes the visible portion of the lit-up moon to grow or shrink, creating the familiar cycle from new moon to full moon and back. The terminator marks the exact line where this transition occurs at any moment. When the moon is a thin crescent, the terminator is near the edge, revealing just a small sliver of light. When it's a half moon, the terminator cuts straight across the middle. During a full moon, the entire face is lit up, and the terminator is no longer visible from our perspective. For anyone interested in studying the moon's surface, the terminator is a treasure trove. The shadows cast along this line reveal surface details that are otherwise hidden in bright light. Craters, ridges, and mountain ranges become more prominent, making it easier to identify features and understand the moon's geology. This is why astronomers and hobbyists love to watch the terminator as it moves across the lunar surface. It's a dynamic scene that changes every night, giving us a different view of the same familiar face. The movement of the terminator across the moon's face is slow but steady. It matches the moon's rotation, which is locked to Earth so that we always see the same side. As sunlight hits different parts of the moon, the terminator shifts, causing the phases to progress. This movement is what makes the moon appear to change shape over about 29.5 days. Knowing where the terminator is helps observers plan their viewing sessions. For example, a few days after the new moon, the thin crescent along the terminator is a beautiful sight. Around the first quarter, the terminator divides the lit and dark halves, giving a clear view of surface features on the illuminated side. Each phase along the cycle offers a unique perspective along the terminator, making it a key feature for both amateur and professional lunar observers. In short, the lunar terminator is essential for observing moon phases because it defines the boundary between light and shadow, highlights surface features, and visually demonstrates how the moon's appearance changes over time. It's like a natural spotlight that reveals the moon's surface in a way that makes every phase special. Whether you're studying the moon's geology or simply enjoying its beauty, understanding the terminator makes your observations more meaningful and exciting.